Today on Isekaikitchen, we're making apricot ice cream from the Apothecary Diaries. Our heroine Maomao saves the day again, this time with ice cream. Her process seems simple: combine milk, sugar, submerge that in ice water, and mix until you get ice cream. But is it really that easy? Let's find out. To a medium-sized mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of cow juice and half a cup of sugar. I don't use this brown sugar, but I'm not sure how that will affect the end outcome's color, so I'm just gonna use regular sugar. Unlike Maomao, I have no friend to help me do this, so I'm gonna stir it by hand myself. Keep whisking until the sugar is dissolved or until your arm falls off. Then to a larger mixing bowl, add some water and ice. And by that, I mean all the ice you have at home. Then add enough salt to kill a Victorian child. The salt helps to lower the freezing point of water, aka monkey make ice colder. Submerge the smaller mixing bowl into the ice bath and keep mixing.
15 minutes later.
Pretty sure nothing has changed after, most likely because it's still not cold enough. If you say skill issue, I will come and beat your ass. But don't worry, I have a plan. But first, so I took the liberty of adding heavy whipping cream because in the original recipe, she only uses milk and sugar really. So what forms will be more of a milk flavored ice, which texturally won't look like an anime. In order to change that, adding heavy whipping cream to incorporate that fat so that we can get a much better texture in the final outcome. Cover and place in the freezer, then set a timer for 30 minutes. And for the next 4 to 6 hours, or until the ice cream is set, we're gonna take it out to mix every 30-minute interval. As the bowl gets cold enough, a noticeable solid layer forms along the bowl. This is because small ice crystals form along the wall of the bowl where it's the coldest. And every time we mix, we're distributing the small crystals to other area. The higher temps in this areas makes the crystals grow larger. So if we don't mix frequently, we'll get a lot of large ice crystals, which means a chunky texture. Prepare the mix-ins. Based on the anime, there are peaches, dates, walnuts, and apricots. Neither of the fruits were in season, so I had to use canned and dried respectively. Cut them into tiny pieces and then refrigerate to keep them cool. I used about a 1/3 cup of apricot, 1/3 cup of peaches, 1/3 cup of walnuts, making sure to break the nuts by hand so that it doesn't flake too much. And lastly, only 3 to 4 dates since they have a strong flavor. Feel free to increase the amount if you like. When the ice cream base is solid but still malleable, that's when you add the mix-ins. Make sure to mix quickly but thoroughly. Let this freeze and set for about 1 to 2 hours. The ice cream is now ready. If you are diligent with stirring, your ice cream should be quite smooth. Serve in a cute bowl, add some extra toppings, and enjoy. It actually came out pretty good. I mean, looks like ice cream to me. I made the scoops a lot smaller because as you can see, this bowl is very small. Let's give it a taste. It's already starting to melt. I mean, tastes like ice cream, especially a very milky one. I love all the textural differences with all the different kind of toppings. You got like a crunch, a chew, freshness from the canned fruit, and even the dates. Not bad at all. If you enjoyed this video, let me know if there's any other anime recipes you want me to attempt. Until then, see you next time.